Hello royalties, welcome back to Glam Queen of Decor, and if you're new, my name is Tammy and welcome. Today's video is a summer glam bathroom clean and decorate with me. If that sounds interesting, keep watching, but please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on your post notifications. Alright royalties, let's get the summer bathroom clean and decorate with me video started. Right royalties, we've already removed everything out of the bathroom, and this is my slate I start with. And if you've been rocking with me, you know I always start by putting up my curtains at my shower first. Now I've already cleaned the shower and got it good and clean, but we're going to go ahead and hang the curtains. So make sure you enjoy the music and follow me along. Now if this is your first time tuning in, welcome to the Glam Queen of Decor, and once again I am Tammy, the host of the channel. And if you're not a family member of the Glam Queen of Decor, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. But if you're not familiar with the Glam Queen brand, make sure you go over and check out the Glam Queen of DIY, Glam Queen Unboxing, Glam Queen Vlogs, and Fit for a Queen. All of our channel links are down in that description box. So let me take you along with me for this summer glam bathroom clean and decorate with me. Make sure you stay to the end to see the reveal. And to family, I did include a little DIY in this video as well. I just did a little simple DIY for a piece that I was putting in my bathroom. So make sure you catch that in this video also. Now make sure you check out Glam Queen of DIY to view all of my DIYs. And this DIY was just taking these two different wall decor pieces. They are green, and I'm going to revamp them. I'm going to spray paint them, sorry you guys, with that gold Rust-Oleum spray paint. And on this piece here, I'm going to take out all of the mirrors. I'm just taking my straight razor and just trimming the edges off, not off, but around, you guys, of this mirror, so I can actually pop all of the mirrors out. But we're going to spray paint because I'm going to be using these pieces in that bathroom. Just so you don't miss any of our fabulous DIYs, please make sure you go over to the Glam Queen of DIY and check out all of our DIYs. We do glam high-end DIYs with a little bit of home renovations. Now these are my pieces that have been painted. I'm adding the mirrors back in, you guys, and we're going to just get them reset back up. I'm going to screw all of those mirrors in, and we're going to finish this glamorous summer bathroom clean and decorate with me. And now guys, let's get ready for this fabulous summer glam bathroom reveal.